As you can see, Newman is enjoying his day inside. Then again, he doesn't go out, so. Comfy kitties inside during the storm. Huh, man? Oh, Cody, man, you're good. That's outside. There's another bird feeder. Birdies are still hanging out. All I see is the Juncos, though. I don't see anything else. There's Newman playing with the camera string. Come on. Can I please have that? Can I please have that? Can I please have that? Newman. Oh, God. He says, I need the camera on me because I'm precious. Just so precious. Crazy. Let's see what the Jeep looks like under all the snow. Oh boy. Can you see it out there? Oh. I'm gonna have a hell of a time digging that sucker out. That's my backyard. I just dumped a plant, but that's okay. Dumped right in the sink. It's my window box there. Covered in snow. Huh. And there's the plant I just dumped. That's alright.